violence and we see a lot of things, but the television, the government on the television has given us so much propaganda and changed our perspective of what peace and love is. And so when you come on the road of Ibrahim, you see peace and love. You see peace and love and organization and order without governmental influence, and it's beautiful. It's nothing like the propaganda in America says. It seems like everybody here is full of love. They show us Muslim love, you know, and we don't get love. When I leave here and go back to America, I'm gonna be treated like dog.
خطوتي سهم به أرمي الحقودا وبها للمرتضى أفل